This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 33, The Art of Persuasion II. The speaker greets everyone and acknowledges the continuation from a previous talk, stating that the focus of this lesson is on attitudes in addition to persuasion. Attitudes are learned emotional constructs that mediate the success or failure of persuasion, guiding decision-making and value judgments based on their strength, certainty, and knowledge about the topic. The speaker explores models of persuasive communication, including the communicator's credibility, message appeal, and audience factors, as well as approaches like the Yale Attitude Change Model and the Cognitive Response Approach. Source credibility is a crucial factor in persuasion, with endorsements by celebrities, authority figures, and factors like attractiveness and similarity lending credibility and influencing persuasion. Message factors like sidedness, odd evidence, fear appeals, and language factors significantly influence the level of persuasion achieved through communication. When presenting a persuasive message, a two-sided approach highlighting both pros and cons is more effective, as it is perceived as honest, while the favored side should be presented as stronger and more compelling. Fear appeals in persuasive communication leverage the unrealistic optimism bias, where people assume risks will not affect them. But these appeals can also potentially backfire or have unintended implications. Language factors like intensity, vivid metaphors, and emotional language tap into strong emotions and cognitive persuasion, making the message more powerful and persuasive than detached language. To be persuasive, the speaker emphasizes the importance of credibility, approachability, using logical and emotional language, referencing authority figures, focusing on relevant and familiar points, and offering a sense of exclusivity. The key takeaways include the impact attitudes on persuasion, the role of communicator, message, and audience factors in persuasion models, the effectiveness of emotional language and vivid examples, the influence of source credibility, the persuasiveness of two-sided messaging, and the use of fear appeals exploiting unrealistic optimism bias. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.